Welcome to MyDraw. Today, let's learn about Import Org Chart. MyDraw gives you the ability to create a diagram of your organization based on data saved in an Excel file. This type of diagram is called an organization chart. To be able to draw a diagram of your organization correctly, the Excel file which contains the data must have the following columns: ID, a unique integer value which identifies the employee; name, a column which contains the employee's name; reports to, an ID of the employee's manager; position, the name of the position that the employee holds in the organization. To import an organization chart, select File, then Import, and click on the Organization Chart. In the Display dialog, you will select the data source Excel file. Then, select the sheet where the data is located. After that, you need to select the necessary columns to load the data. If you want to add employee images, you will need to check the Load Images checkbox and select the images. Also, you will need to map the names of the images to the columns in the data source file. For example, Unique Identifier.